Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady, and today I'm here with an unboxing from DIYmoon shop. So I ordered 3 kits. I ordered a square kit, a round kit and a candy kit so I could test out all 3. They did come shipped in this plastic bag and I was going to open it completely with you, but I had a bit of a panic because I ordered 3 kits and there's only 2 boxes. But good news is there were 2 canvases in this one box. So I haven't opened them to have a look at them yet. I thought we could do that together. My first order that I made with DIYmoon shop sadly had a lot of issues, so they gave me a discount code to use for a future purchase. So I thought I'd give them another go and we'll go through the canvases together. I haven't taken them out yet or had a look at them, and if there's any issues then we can share in that together. So I'm pretty sure these 2 are going to be from the same artist, which was Ditman. She does these beautiful mermaid pieces. So we'll start with the larger one, which is the round kit. If you're only interested in seeing the candy kit, then I would recommend heading towards the end of the video if you're just interested in seeing what the candy kit looks like. So let's find our way into these and we'll have a look at the drills and the toolkit and everything that comes with it. So are we ready? Is it going to be the right way up? Oh, here we go. Look at her, she's so cute. I mean, tell me you don't get Ariel the Little Mermaid vibes from this. It is pretty curled up at the moment, but they do use poured glue on their canvases, which means if you want to help your canvas lay flat a bit, roll it in the opposite direction. So we're just going to do that now, just to try and get some of these wrinkles out, since it looks like it was quite firmly rolled to start with. Another trick as well is, if you want to get your canvas to lay flat, is to peel back the top of the plastic and then just lay it back down again, and that should take out some of the wrinkles. So if we just do that and lay it flat, it should flatten it out. As you can see, it's slightly more flat at the top now. Sorry, I just realized you weren't in frame for that. But how pretty is this? So how many colors have we got? We've got 42 colors, and I'm just gonna have a quick look at the drill field. The printing on this definitely seems a lot better than my very first kit I did from them, which had massive printing issues. So that is good. We've got a nice sort of color blocking going on in her skin, which is good because my last kit from them was quite confetti heavy. Confetti means there's a lot of changes, color changes in a very small area, which will take longer to do, whereas color blocking, you can just use your multiplacer and storm through it quite quickly. So let's get into the drills and have a quick look at what AB comes in this kit, because one of the things that DIYmoon shop does, which is slightly different to other companies, is they actually include, give me 2 seconds to actually get into this and then I'll be right back. Okay, we found the way in. So one thing that they do, which other companies don't, is that they will chart some ABs, which are Aurora Borealis drills, into the kit, and then also give you the replacement regular drill. So if you don't like ABs, you don't have to use them. So I'm just having a look at the inventory sheet. It tells you what colors you're going to get, how many you're going to get, and yeah. So how many ABs have we got here? Okay, so we can see here on the little inventory sheet that we have an AB 5200, which, if you want to use the regular colour, it's 762. So we'll have a look at those and see how they differ from each other. I'm just going to quickly find them and pull them out to show you. Okay guys, so it took a bit of rummaging to find it, but this is the original charted colour in the kit. And then this is the AB. They have an iridescent coating on them. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And we're going to find out where these go on the kit in a second. So yeah, there's quite a colour difference there. So it depends if you want grey or white. So anyway, let's try and work out where these are going to go. Right, so we were looking for an H symbol, a lowercase h. So they seem to be charted mostly around here in the background. They're kind of sporadically around here. There's a few up the top of the canvas, up here, and there's a few more down here in these bubbles. So I think the white would work really well in these bubbles because it will give it that kind of shimmery bubble effect. Or are these actually shells? I'm going to go with bubbles. I still think they look like bubbles. So again, this is by Anna Ditman and the piece is actually called Ocean. So definitely Little Mermaid vibes coming from this kit. So now let's get through the other kits that I purchased and show them to you next. Okay guys, the next kit we've got is a square kit also by Anna Ditman, and this one's called Shell. So I got this one in the smallest size just because when you purchase a square or a candy kit from them, they will charge you more for the different drill shapes. So I got the smallest one available just to test out, I'm going to roll it this way, just to test out the squares to see if their squares are any good, and the shell. So it'll be interesting to see how well the shells do actually work up, because again, this isn't sitting flat, so we'll just quickly roll this backwards. But yeah, I did get the smallest size in square, because typically with square you will get more detail than with round kits, because square drills are actually slightly smaller than the round ones. So there we go, let's have a look at her. So I'm not entirely sure how well the shells are going to actually show up once the drills are down, because again, this is a very, very small, almost snack size kit for this one. But I thought it'd be nice to have some smaller ones in my stash. And this mermaid girl, she makes me think of me. I get kind of me vibes from this just because of the hair and everything. So yeah, that was my square kit. And we will have a quick look. We have got 39 colours, so not kind of a beginner friendly, not too big. These are your drill colours that we've got. We've got a lot of darks and everything. Oh, I can see our first AB, which is a purple colour right there. So I'm going to guess that the purple AB, I'm going to guess it's going to probably go around here. Let's just have a look and see if we can work out. So yeah, I was right. It's there's a bit around here. So we're looking for a little 9 symbol, so around here-ish. And a little bit more down here, tiny bit over here. But yeah, just sprinkled around the background. So I won't pull them all out to show you the other colour, but again, they will have included the regular version, not the AB version of this drill as well, if you decide you don't like it. Also, I forgot to mention that all the kits come with this little toolkit, so you get a pen, this one came with some tweezers, and, you know, wax, tray, squishy, your standard diamond painting kit. So now we get to move on to the candy kits. So right, are we ready for the candy kit? So this one I haven't even opened yet. There's the image on the box. It's Venus. So I always loved the old master kind of Birth of Venus painting that you sometimes see, very old classic, and this is sort of a fan art version of that piece. And I can't quite remember the name of the artist at this precise moment, but I'm sure we will notice that as soon as I get into the kit, and then I can show you all the pretty crystal drills, if I can open this box without stabbing myself with scissors. Okay, success, no injuries. Right, so, oh, that's a big box for a small kit. I think I got a 40 by 40 for this kit. And yeah, I've been really wanting to try out a kit which was all crystals, and I thought I really like this one, and hopefully it will suit itself to being an all crystal kit. So, you ready? Here we go. Okay, it's this way round. Wow. Pretty. That is going to look incredible with all the crystal colours. So it's got 39 colours. You get some tweezers, your standard toolkit, which has got a hole in it. So multi-places, tray, wax, and guys, the crystals. I don't know how I'm going to be able to get the best lighting on this, but we're going to pull them out and I'm going to show you all these beautiful crystals. So yes, the artist for this piece was Elane Lescot. But yeah, she does a lot of really cute little chibi artworks. Sorry about the glare from my light. Move it over slightly. Yeah, so let's get in and find these. So I'm assuming these won't have ABs in them since it's a complete crystal kit. But this is my first crystal kit. And once again, trying to find the way into the bag is the hardest part. Okay, success, we found the way in. So I'm going to pull out most of these crystals and show them to you. So 39 bags of crystals. So immediately we have a lot of very pretty golds. More golds. These look really similar in colour actually. Don't know if they'll show up very well on here, but yeah, so we've got very similar colours there. Let's pull out some more golds. That one's much darker, much bigger bag of this one. See if I can get some of the light on this. So I apologise that my lighting isn't that great for showing these off, but hopefully it'll give you a sense. They have these silver backings on the crystals so that it will help cover the symbol when you place them, and it will reflect the colour of the main crystal drill. So we've got this really pretty green, very nice green going on there. More yellows, more oranges, some reds, some more yellows. Oh, this looks pretty. I like this one. This kind of aqua blue. I don't know how well that's showing up, but that is a very, very pretty blue. That one's going to be really fun to place. So this is my first crystal kit. I'm really excited to get into this and try it. There's some more golds. So, and look at all these. It's just have crystals everywhere. So that's another one that I think is really pretty. I'm not sure again if it's showing up very well on camera, but it's this very pale kind of blue, bluey green, turquoisey colour. So yeah, these are gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to it. All the pink. Got to show off the pink one very quickly because that is really pretty. Again, I'm not sure my lighting is doing this justice, but I hope that gives you sort of an idea. If I hold them this close, can you guys see how pretty and shiny those are? This is going to be brilliant to work up. So this is the one I'm most excited about doing. Anyway, thank you so much for sticking with me for the unboxing of these 3 kits from DIYmoon Shop. So again, we had Venus by Elane Lescot in crystal drills. We had Shell by Anna Ditman in square drills. And we also had Ocean by Anna Ditman in round drills. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or useful in any way or enjoyed it, please hit the like button on your way out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye!